Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here, and if you're new, welcome. I'm glad you found us. Today I am presenting to you my results, or I'm doing a comparison of these 4 glues. I've been using them for 2 weeks, and so I wanted to just share with you my thoughts on these. And I know right now affordability is a really big issue, but also getting a quality product is important. So I thought I would share. I think you might be surprised. So come with me and let's get started. So I started comparing glues for value and how well they worked and how well they cleaned up. These were my goals when I began this. I had used all these glues before except for the Elmer's Craft Bond. That was a new one, and I was excited to try it because I like to try new things. I was surprised about some of these, and some of these I weren't. The Elmer's Craft Bond is a 2-for-1. It's fabric and paper. It works really good. I've washed fabric with it. It did not come off. And for value, it only costs $3.69 for 4 fluid ounces. And you get 2 for 1. The bad thing is, for me, anybody with hands that have trouble doing things, the ball is hard to squeeze. The next one, the Scotch Tacky glue, it's an okay value. It's $6.59 for 4 fluid ounces. Dries quickly. The bottle was easy to squeeze. But when it got on your hands, it did not come off. I mean, it was literally like it was on paper. And I had to go and stop what I was doing and wash my hands in the mill, which is a pain. Aleene's original tacky glue, the cost, it's very affordable for 4 fluid ounces, $4.69. The problem is it takes a long time to dry, it doesn't clean off your hands, and it's hard to squeeze. This was a very hard glue bottle to get the product out of. Glitter glue, it dries quickly, we all know. The negatives on this one, it is super expensive. 2 fluid ounces was $13.45, which is too much. It does not clean off your hands. Again, you have to stop what you're doing, go use soap and water. But the biggest thing for me, being in California, it came with a P65 warning, which talks about cancer and reproductive harm, some chemicals in the glue. If you want more information about that, please go to the P65 warning website. Anyway, I hope this helps you. Let me know what your favorite glues are down below, and I'll be happy to do another comparison.